from across the country, the catalysts of change and NCNB's partners in strengthening harmonious labor management. Each association proudly carries its banner that shall be mounted on the assigned pole, highlighting the commitment of labor and management to cooperation, partnership, and harmonious workplace relations. Region, let us welcome the Cordillera Association of Labor Management Cooperation and Advocates of Voluntary Arbitration Incorporated, led by its president, Jefford C. Mona, together with the association's muse, Ms. Ivory Paatan. Resolution and Staff Incorporated, or ICARE, headed by its president, Mike Naboye, accompanied by the association's muse, Ms. Janelle Christine Bautista. From Region 2, please welcome the Partnership of Workers and Employers in Region 2, or Power 2, headed by its president, Christine T. Vasquez, with the association's muse, Ms. Angelica Sanguigit. Hailing from Central Luzon is the Central Luzon Association of Labor Management Cooperation Practitioner Incorporated, or CLAP, led by its president, Euphemia C. Iroh, with muse, Ms. Jamil Tolentino. Representing the provinces of Calabarzon, we have the Southern Tagalog Region Labor Management Cooperation Association Incorporated, or STAR LMCAI, headed by its president, Carlito D. Biza, with muse, Ms. Nor Sangalan. From the proud Mimaropa region, representing Palawan, the Palawan Industrial Peace Advocates Incorporated, or PIPA Incorporated, led by President Erwin L. Galion, joined by muse, Ms. Seymour John K. Rojas. And representing Oriental Mindoro, the Oriental Mindoro Industrial Peace Advocates, or MIPA, headed by President Mark P. Solo III. Management Industrial Peace Advocates Incorporated, or the MIPA Inc., represented by its Vice President for Labor Sector, Mr. Raul Sulsafe, together with Ms. Laracel Zinampan. we have the Association of Industrial Peace Advocates in Central Visayas Incorporated, or AIPA, led by President Sofia P. Picardal, with news Ms. Jessa Hel Bolario. Traveling from Eastern Visayas, we recognize the Eastern Visayas Industrial Peace Advocates Incorporated, or EVIPA, headed by Vice President Samuel R. Ramirez, with news Ms. Joylene Orpilla. Representing Region 9, the Zamboanga Peninsula Association. Representing Region 9 is the Zamboanga Peninsula Association of Industrial Peace Advocates, or ZAPEN AIPA, represented by its Board of Trustees, Ms. Mildred Bayarcal. Practitioners, Northern Mindanao Incorporated, or LNCP-10, headed by President Ramil M. Abamonga, with news Ms. Melanie Mercado. And the Labor Management Cooperation, Voluntary Arbitration Advocates Incorporated, or LCBAA Iligan, headed by President Flint Ray Ariola, with news Ms. Lea Bielsen Naves. We warmly welcome the Association of Labor Management Cooperation Practitioners, Davao Chapter, or ALMACO, led by President Michael King S. Ando, with news Ms. Marjorie A. From the Caraga region, we welcome the Caraga Industrial Peace Practitioners Advocates Incorporated, led by President Lindon T. Buque, with news, Ms. Gina Rose Okura. From the National Capital Region, the Society of Advocates of Peace and Progress Incorporated, or ASAP Inc., headed by President Rene L. Capito, along with the news, Ms. Darina Shane Espinosa.
Tapos na sir, hindi pa sila na-call.
And finally, from Region 6 and the Negros Island region, our co-host for this convention, the Labor Management Peace Advocates for Private Schools of Panay and Guimaras Incorporated, or LMP-APSPG, headed by Dr. James F. Monte Hermoso.
Landscape dapat.
The Labor Management Council's Panay and Guimaras Chapter Incorporated, or LMC PGCI, led by its president, Tiffany Viginet Ong, with their news, Nora Franco. Or NLMCI, headed by its president, Ms. Ami D. Amar. Let us welcome the officers of the Philippine League of Labor Management Cooperation Practitioners Incorporated, or PhilAMCO, a dynamic group of distinguished LLC and GM practitioners from the League of Labor Management Cooperation Practitioners Incorporated, or PhilAMCO. Starting off with the Board of Trustees, Attorney Tyron John Albao, Attorney Orcheline Basalio, Mr. Gomer Hulaton, and Mr. Manuel Ricaredo de Jarme. Public Relations Officer, Mr. Henry Roman. Auditor, Ms. Eufemia Ayo. Treasurer, Ms. Jeanette Cacho. Secretary, Ms. Ami Amar. Vice President for the Labor Sector, Mr. Samuel Ramirez. Vice President for the Management Sector, Ms. Carol Tubera. And the PhilAMCO President, Dr. Gina Fe Israel. Vice President of PhilAMCO, Mr. Teofilo June Colocado Jr. And now let us give a resounding round of applause to the officials and staff of the 17 regional conciliation and mediation branches. They are the committed public servants who traverse the busiest streets of our cities and the most rugged terrains of our provinces, bringing the message of labor management cooperation and grievance machinery to every corner of the country. From Mindanao, representing RCMP 13, OIC Director Arnheim Ravelo, together with Labor and Employment Officer 3, Mary Carmela Playo. From Region 12, Director Jerry D. Lampico and Senior Labor and Employment Officer Jack Ronan Bravante. From Region 11, OIC Director Rene Sabornido, along with Supervising Labor and Employment Officer Camry June Montero. From RCMP 10, Director Irene Marie Reyes and Supervising Labor and Employment Officer Vinette Abelia. From RCMP 9, Director Oliver Howe and Supervising Labor and Employment Officer Annabelle Cordova. From the Visayas Region, RCMP 8, OIC Director Papiniano Macay III, and Senior Labor and Employment Officer, Attorney Jennifer Lier. From Region 7, Director Gemma Poloyapoy, together with Senior Labor and Employment Officer, Renus Caducoy. From Luzon, RCMP 5, Director Francis Gonzalo Jr. and Senior Labor and Employment Officer Hazel Caroche. From RCMP Mimaropa, Director Attorney Gaya Lombard and Supervising Labor and Employment Officer Catherine Alcantara. Director Cynthia Foncardas, along with Senior Labor and Employment Officer Maria Milka Lopez. From RCMB 3, Director Othello Tiomo, and Supervising Labor and Employment Officer Rhoda Blanco. From RCMB 2, Director Feliciano Rueda Jr. and Supervising Labor and Employment Officer Olsen Dizon. From RCMB 1, Director Brenda Rose Olsi and Supervising Labor and Employment Officer Lester Paen. From RCMB Cordillera Administrative Region, Director Rhoda Dr. Malimba.